U.S. stocks extended their gains to trade near session highs Wednesday afternoon, lifting both the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 to another all-time high. Now, first on the U.S. economic front, producer prices falling today 0.7% for the month of April, posting their biggest drop in nearly 3 years. The New York Empire State General Business Index declining today to negative 1.43 in May from 3.05 in April, marking the first reading below zero since January. Industrial production declining today as well, down 0.5% in April, this following a revised 0.3% increase the previous month. And lastly, home builders' confidence that did rise in May to its highest level in more than 5 years. And with a combination of Japan's Nikkei 225 index up over 2% to close above 15,000 for the first time since 2008, oil prices trading just above $93 a barrel, Google touching an all-time high, and the dollar rise continuing against the Japanese yen, this time trading above the 102 level. It looked to be quite the interesting and volatile finish for the big board. Speaking of which, let's take a look now to see how the Dow Jones has closed out today's trading session. Now, in a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with Google, which announced that it is launching its own subscription music service called All Access, and it will launch in the United States for $9.99, this after a free 30-day trial. Shares crossed above $900 a share for the very first time for the company, and it has rallied more than 27% year to date. Meanwhile, Macy's rose after the department store company posted higher than expected quarterly results, while also raising its quarterly dividend to 25 cents from 20 cents. Meanwhile, Deere slumped despite topping earnings and revenue expectations, and even after forecasting a record profit for the full year, this after the company said it was cautious because of weakness in the construction market.